Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we have a great news for aeronautical engineering students. This is about the latest TNPSC recruitment 2026 for the post of junior training officer, remotely piloted aircraft, that is drone pilot. So this recruitment is for the employment and training department, especially the training wing of our Tamil Nadu government. So in this video, we are going to discuss who can apply, what are the education qualification required, what is the enhanced salary, what is the age limit and vacancy detail, and what are the career opportunities. So this is the official notification released by the TNPSC. The notification was released on July 7th, and we have started the commencement of application. Receiving the application can apply through the online portal from 17/7/2026, and the last date will be 15th August. The official notification you can just go through in the link shared. The same link I will share in the description. If you check, you can directly go to the TNPSC website and you can read the full notification. So we will discuss only the key points. So the main post we are targeting is 3781 postcode junior training officer for remotely piloted aircraft. So we have only one vacancy as of now. So the pay level will be level 11. And the great news is aeronautical engineering students are applicable, are eligible if you have completed your BE or BTech in aeronautical engineering or diploma in aeronautical engineering can apply for this post. So other eligible courses are you can have ECE or Mechatronics or EEE. So these three courses are also eligible to apply for this post. However, based on the syllabus, I feel aeronautical engineering students have a very great chance to clear this exam. And what happen if you get selected? So you are going to become a government drone instructor where you will be training students in drone flying, aerial survey, agricultural drones, GIS mapping, inspection, and drone maintenance. So the main highlight of this post is the salary pay scale. So you will be placed under a pay level of 11 government pay scale where you have the DA, house rent allowance, medical benefit, leave benefit, retirement benefit. So overall, the enhanced salary after all deductions will be somewhere around 52 to 55 in hand. That depends on the place you are posted. It's a very good salary for the beginners. The age limit, as if you see the general category, maximum age is 37, and for reserved categories like BC, OBC, SC, and ST, there is no maximum limit. And why aeronautical students should apply? So most of the aeronautical students think their job is mostly in airlines or manufacturing, maintenance, or any information technology jobs. Very few have this government teaching job or drone technology. So this is an excellent opportunity where the competition is relatively less. And the drone industry is also growing very fast in the field of agriculture, construction, surveying, logistics, mining. So a government drone instructor will have a long-term career prospects, and such jobs are going to be coming very huge numbers later on. So to apply for this post, so you make sure you have the following documents in a scanned condition: SSLC or 10th mark sheet, HSC or 12th mark sheet, your UG degree certificate, your community certificate if you are claiming any reservation, or latest passport size photo, and a copy of your signature. So don't miss this opportunity. If you are an aeronautical engineering graduate, just apply for this TNPSC JTO drone pilot post. Stay updated for further details. I will discuss about the syllabus, how to prepare, what are the notes you have to study, what is the questions they have asked previous years. So stay updated, subscribe the channel for further updates. Thank you.